I really taught myself how to be an adult. And I am doing a very, very, very good job. If you're out there and you have to reparent yourself and basically raise yourself into the adult that you are, be proud, and you're doing it. I just felt that because, you guys, I'm done. Let's fold these clothes. This is also day 4 checking in of my 25 Align challenge. I had some laundry to fold, so I figured why not do 2 birds with 1 stone, because duh. And I have been avoiding this. I'm telling you, avoiding this. These are really cool shorts. They're Dragon Ball Z. I don't know where I'm gonna wear these, but I'm gonna wear them somewhere. I have avoided doing this laundry for, I'm embarrassed to say, it's been chilling there, and it's just been sitting there, and I'm realizing, let me just get this together really quick. Usually like doing a reflection of my day so far. I still have to do my 10K steps. That is on a treadmill. You can't see it, but it's like a treadmill behind here. A little walking pad. So easy. It wasn't that expensive, and I know I can get my 10K steps. That's all I have to do. Oh, regarding the book, You Are the Placebo by Dr. Joe Dispensa. It's basically the portion I'm reading is just how your brain already comes up to conclusions for you, meaning how your body responds to stuff or how you're going to react to certain things before you even really make up your mind as to what's going to happen. If you have read that book, please comment below your reviews I'm on chapter 1, so don't go too crazy, but just something, hindsight notes or something, or things to look out for, because I'm very interested in that. And I would really appreciate that. This is donations. I was thinking about this page, honestly. Each day, you guys, am I getting deeper and deeper each day of this challenge? Crazy. And I'm trying my best not to get overwhelmed or too hard on myself. My last video did boo-boo views. In my head, I'm like, well, dang, I gotta quit, because that was just a sign I should not be doing this. But then some of the work that I have been doing, obviously the negative thought, bye. And I was watching a Wizard Liz video right now. I actually watched 2 about like believing in yourself, how to create success and stuff. And I was like, do I genuinely believe in myself? And that opened up a whole can of worms I was not ready for, because I never really asked myself that question. I started the bad habit of just doing something without really asking myself or asking permission from myself before I do it. If that made sense. I hope that made sense. It really got, look at this nightgown. I have red nails and a cheetah nightgown. I am really her. I slightly believe in myself. And I can admit that to myself right now and to you guys, and just because we're chit-chatting. I slightly do. I don't fully yet, because I haven't learned to fully trust myself in regards to making sure I do what I say I'm gonna do. But I'm starting to now. Believe that I could do it. Believe that I can accomplish anything I put my mind to. And that is going to stem from a certain confidence that I have not cultivated just yet, but it's forming. It's been planted. The seed has been planted. Now it just has to blossom, and I have to be the one to nourish it. When it comes to manifestation and prayer and all that stuff, you can't just sit and just, you could expect it in a good way because you know it's going to come. But if you don't put in the work towards it, you don't even deserve it. Because you won't be mentally ready for that level of whatever that you're praying for or manifesting. You won't be able to maintain it. You will not. Oh, look at us adulting. I can't believe we're the new adults. And I can't believe laundry just sits there and has the audacity to not be folded. That makes no sense. Makes no sense. I feel a lot better. I'm telling you, I feel a lot better, because I almost broke down with the views that I had in the other one. It's not just monetary purpose, but But I'm trying to get this page monetized, of course, obviously. It's just like, dang, nobody really rocked with it. Nobody really rocked with my video, and I thought it was so good. And I didn't get the response. But what if that's a lesson to what if it's a lesson to give the validation to myself instead of externally? Wow, I could cry right now. That's crazy. Wow. What if that was a test? Like, are you sure you're really working on what you're really working on? Wow, I almost failed. But I didn't. I'm really happy that I'm working smarter, not harder right now, because the fact that my page is so new, I get to experiment with different types of videos. And that just made me feel so much better right now. Because I don't have to stick to a certain type, even though I'm not going to, regardless, when I grow more, because I'm not just like a niche person per se. I mean, I am, but I'm not. It's just me. I'm just me. I'm just going to be doing me. Wow, we're almost done. There's no way. There's a way, because I just did it. I also did my hair today. I did like a light press. This is so cute. I did a light press because it just is easier. We are almost done, everybody. Ja, 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 ja. You ever had those towels? I want to I want to elevate my life a little more and go get some new towels. But I just feel like, what's the point? This one's still good. Like, it feels a little dingy. It probably has, like, I say 2 more washes at best, but what happened? That was a thong. I didn't want to put it out and be like, yeah, let me fold that. I don't know if any parents knew this, but the Cat and Jack brand at Target, you can go return or exchange clothing, their Cat and Jack brand, as long as you have the receipt. I'm gonna go get a bigger size of this. What life lesson was that? Doing something that I've been avoiding doing, and it took me 11 minutes, if that, to fold the laundry that I have been sitting there looking at and avoiding because I thought it was too much. I thought I was overwhelmed. There's a life lesson in that. I don't know what it is, but there's a life lesson in that. That's it. I will see you in the next video on day 5. Love you. Love you. Finish the heart. That heart is, I feel like it's staying. Is this a better one? Oh, that's fire. Okay, this is way better. Finish the heart. Finish the heart.